Hola guys, how you all doing today? It's Halloween and this time I've created a comic book inspired look of Wonder Woman. Um, if you like the look, then keep watching the video. And I have created this look without any face paint or anything. I've just used the makeup products that I had in my makeup kit. And yeah, so I found this look very interesting and wanted to create it for quite some time now, so this was the perfect time to do it. So yeah, let's get started. I've prepped my skin, moisturized it, and now I'm using a primer from Lakme. It's called Blur Perfect Primer, and applying it on open pores and fine lines and massaging it well into my skin. And for my brows, I'm using Wet n Wild retractable eyebrow pencil, combing my brows with a spoolie first and then filling in the sparse areas. Now for my face, I'm using Kryolan Supracolor Professional Palette Concealer Palette, and I'm using these two shades, FS29 and FS22, to create my base. The FS29 I'm using to conceal all my pigmented areas, under eye dark circles. It has a peach undertone to it, so I don't have to use a color corrector. The concealer itself solves the purpose. And for blending it in, I'm using a damp beauty sponge. So yeah. Now I'm cleaning my lid space with FS22, and I'm using a concealer brush to do that. Dabbing it in place with my damp beauty sponge and applying the same on my neck as well. By the way, I have not used any foundation this time. I've created the base using just the concealers. Now I'm using FS22 to highlight and applying it under my eyes, on my forehead, on my jawline, and also on my nose and chin. And dabbing everything in place with the wet beauty sponge. For contouring, I'm using this dark brown shade FS27 and applying it on my cheekbones, jawline, my nose, and also a little on the forehead. This time I wanted really chiseled look features, and so I went ahead with cream contour first and then powder contour, and to set my concealer in place so that it doesn't get creasy or cakey, I'm using Kryolan translucent powder in the shade TL9. Yes. For powder contouring, I'm using Pat Powder Blusher in the shade 10 and contouring my eyes using a fluffy eyeshadow blending brush. For my cheekbones, I'm using an angle contour brush, and also for my jawline and the rest of the face. Now dusting off the excess powder that I had on my face, and also contouring my lower lash line with the same. Also contouring my nose since I wanted a sharp nose, so yeah, I'm going ahead with powder contouring on my nose as well. I'm using makeup Makeup Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose eyeshadow palette. I'm using a golden pigment from the palette and applying it on my lid area. And Rimmel London 213 in the nude eye pencil. It's a nude eye pencil. I'm using it to draw out my headband. Golden pigment to create the golden headband that the Wonder Woman wears, and it did a pretty good job. I mean, I really like the golden pigment. So yeah, solved the purpose. Now for the star, I'm using Nykaa Lips Don't Lie lip liner in the shade Loverboy and drawing out the star. To outline my headband, I'm using Maybelline black gel eyeliner. Eyes with the same gel eyeliner. For my waterline, I'm using Wet n Wild white eye pencil and smudging my lower lash line with a blending brush. Also, I'm using the same black gel eyeliner for my eyebrows because I wanted really dark eyebrows, so I went ahead and I was quite generous with it. For my lips, I'm using the same lip liner from Nykaa. Now filling my lips with MAC's Ruby Woo, which I think is a perfect shade for red lips. And for my blush, I'm using Forever 52 Butter Blush Rose on Eyes and applying it on the apples of my cheeks. And highlighter, I'm using Makeup Revolution Dare to Divulge and applying it on the high planes of my face. And now the fun part begins. I'm drawing out all those lines on the black lines on my face, which you get to see in comic books, the sketches in the comic books. So yeah, this was the fun part, though it took me some time to draw out these lines since I'm not good at drawing at all. So yeah. Also, I'll be using a white eye pencil, the same one which I used for my lower lash line. For my lips, I had to use a concealer just to give that white patch. Since the white eye pencil that I used, it made my lips turn pink. So I wanted red lips and wanted white patches, so I used concealer first and went ahead and dabbed a white eyeshadow. Now curling my lashes, and I'm using Falsies from Eyebrow lashes. If you want to buy these, use my discount code Shampa and you get a 20% off. And ta-da! This is the final look. I hope you like it. I think it's pretty cool. I loved it. I loved doing it. I loved creating it. So I think it'll be a pretty hit, if you try it for a Halloween party. So yeah. Guys, I was talking about Lujo lashes. These are handmade lashes, cruelty free, and it's a UK based company. So if you'd like to buy these lashes, you can go ahead, order it from the website, and if you use my discount code Shampa, you get a 20% off. So go ahead, purchase it. They're pretty cool. I loved it. So yeah. And thanks for watching, guys. If you like the look, do give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Take care, take good care of yourself, stay safe, stay home,